you a very special person in the industry, Ray.
Ta-da! Hi everyone, welcome at Oliva Cigars. We're at Oliva Cigars, and this is really to honor Mr. Gilberto Senior Oliva, who was the starter of the Olivas here in Nicaragua. So he was the first one coming to Nicaragua, growing tobacco, and then his kids continued to make cigars, which we continue to do as well with our family. This was the desk where he sat at, this was his seat, and it's really to honor him because we definitely believe if you want to do good things in the future, that we cannot forget about the past. Let's go and see how we make cigars. Welcome back to our tour, and let's take a look how we make our cigars. Here we will make the Oliva Serie Milanio Maduro, one of my favorite cigars. So let's take a look. This is the Bonchero. He's fantastic how he makes our beautiful cigars, how he makes sure that when you smoke them, the tearing is perfect. This is a little special cigar because later on it will be box pressed. Let's see. So now he takes the binder. It has the beautiful fillers inside, and when the cigar is ready, he will put it in the press, and after pressing, they come out like this. Afterwards, we go to this beautiful lady who will overwrap the cigars. She has the wrapper ready, waiting for the cigar. There it is. So after a 2 hours in the pressing, now the cigar is ready to be overrolled. Let's take a look how she does it. It's a very, very difficult cigar. It's a figurado size, which is really not an easy one like you see in the form. We use, of course, pure natural gum. And the people who can roll the cigars do work the longest time in our factory under most experiences as it are our most premium cigars. Beautiful finishing. And now she will cut so that you're ready to light your cigar. Let's go one more time and let's now see how we ring the cigar and put it in our beautiful box. As you have seen maybe in the movies before on the Great Best Cigar Prices channel, we do a lot of color sortation from the beginning of the process of our leaf. You can imagine, I think we sort the leaf 6-7 times since it's out of the curing barn, so which is crazy. When the cigar is made, we still do color sortation. And this is really to make sure that within your box you have, let's say, the best and the beautiful, most beautiful cigars all together. Here we still have rejects, we still have cigars that we do not accept because of quality reasons. So it's a little detail, but it's something that not a lot of factories will show to you, but especially for you, we show it. We're in the last step. This beautiful cigar rested in granel, was color sorted, and will now get its little dress around and will be nicely packed until we send it via the website to you. So, let's take a look. She puts the paper inside. The cigars all ringed beautifully and are now in full detail next to each other. A little rope to easily get your first cigar out of the box. And this all in a box made in our own box factory, soon to be certified as EFC. Let's close it, and the moment this box will open is the moment you will get it open. Por favor, enjoy our fantastic product made with love. Bye.